and welcome back to the channel once again. So we're going to be working on the 2Ks in this episode, and as you can see, these are all dry, and I've got the rear bumper sort of mounted up on the back there. So I'll show you what sort of colour we got, and what we're going to be doing is just rebuilding this boot lid, putting the tailgate back on, and then refitting the bumper hopefully in this episode, guys. So let's crack on and I'll show you exactly what colour we got now. I'm a bit skeptical. Of course we can't compare the colour to this side as of yet, so I have polished up just the slightest bit of this rear quarter, and it looks pretty good, to be honest. Straight away it was a bit sketchy because the whole car is completely full of grime, but just looking at this small section here, it does look pretty good. I always get a bit funny with colour matches, especially on reds, but it looks pretty good, guys. Obviously we got to polish this quarter up and give it a really good clean. So what I'm going to do now is build up this rear quarter here. This is completely dry and it's come out really nice. Some of my best work, I honestly do think that. So yeah, let's crack on, boys and girls. So the new tailgate is built up. All I have to do now is take that 13mm bolt out there and that 13mm bolt out there, as the new hinges are already installed. Otherwise I would have taken these two 10mm nuts off each side. Wiring is out. I just gotta unhook these struts as well then, and I've got a spare set of hands over there to give me hand, especially with the new one, as it's fresh paint and I don't want to get it scratched. So wish me luck. I gotta line it up properly as well. Tailgate fitted up, it looks really good. I gotta be honest, I did an amazing job on that. So what I'm gonna do is actually run over this side with a mop. I'm gonna set it up now. We've got some temporary electric at the garage, so hopefully just smash this out, try and get some elbow grease and a bit of polishing compound on this, and see what we can do. I'm gonna be amazed if this looks even half tidy. So hopefully we're gonna get something closer to this color here. Obviously we got the mini mop on it the other day, and this is what we got. So hopefully it all comes up like that, but it is just a bit of a dodgy color. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Right, so if any of you are interested in what I'm about to do with the whole side of this car, what I've used so far is this 3000 Trizac disc, which comes in this sort of foam pad. I prefer it much over just the dry sort of sanding 3000 method. I'd much rather just spend a little extra on the 3000 3M discs, and you basically just spray water on the panel, normal water out of a bottle, anything like that, and then just spray the disc, and there will be a little film as you start, and then once you start seeing the white foam, that's when you know it's cutting into the paint or the lacquer. And then what I do then is get my Milwaukee mop. It can be any rotary mop. You just want to be making sure that you're cutting through that lacquer or paint. And I wouldn't really recommend a DA, a dual action polisher, for fresh paint or trying to revive paint. But that's just me. I'm not a detailer. This is just how I've learned how to polish. So I've just got that green 3M pad on top, mated with this 3M Fast Cut Extreme, and then you literally just keep polishing up the paint until it comes up the way you want it. You just gotta look for the scratches, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's what I'm gonna use. So that's the top side of the quarter all polished up, and this is the bottom half all flatted down with a 3000 grit. There's still some tar from like sort of the road that I gotta get off, but that is the door compared to the quarter at the moment. So it's slow progress, but we're getting there. We got nice weather, so we're just gonna smash this out. I'm gonna polish this up, see what we got, and then I'm gonna flat the rest of the car down then, and then give the whole thing a mop all over, guys. So yeah, good day, good sunny day. This is before we get a mop over it, and I will show you the results afterwards, guys. Quarter, that's all polished up now, guys. Looks unreal. Look at that, all shiny, nice and fresh, looks mint. So now we're just going to continue with the door now, and a wing, and then I'll update you after that, guys. Right, so we are done for the day, guys. This has had a full 2-stage polish all around. As you can see, we've done top to bottom, bonnet, roof. It has come out amazing, guys. And I've got the rear bumper over there, but we've run out of time today for this video, so hopefully in the next one we'll get the tailgate all sorted out. We have got an issue with this button here, so I've installed the one with the key at the moment, but we have done so much today. We've tapped out this entire rear panel. We just got to clean it up, paint that, maybe possibly black or the sunset or sunrise red that this car is. But take a look at that, guys. Honestly, we have got such good results today. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna finish off this video, guys. She is looking nearly ready, guys, and it's only been, I'd say I've put about 10 to 12 hours actual work into it, so about a day and a half. I split over, of course, like 3 or 4 days, but yeah, really impressed. The rain's coming back again. It's been on and off rain all day, but yeah, Really impressed with how quick this is
Thank you all
going,
for
guys. And I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Peace.